Let's talk about the CITGO process and how it can save you money. First, we get to know you and your fleet. What kind of operation are you running? How big is your fleet? What kind of engines are you running? What kind of drivetrains are they powering? Next, we take a close look at your current maintenance program. Lubes, viscosities, fluids, greases, everything from top to bottom. Also, what are your greatest needs and challenges with your lubrication program? We will examine your individual needs, including fuel efficiency, maintenance plans, schedules, drivetrains, operating costs, and engine life. We'll work with you to create a customized fleet savings analysis and your double money-back guarantee. It'll be based on factors specific to your needs, including fuel savings and drain optimization. Then the proving begins. Together, we'll do a test run on your fleet. We'll monitor with our exclusive Lube Alert fluid condition monitoring service, and we will keep precise records of our critical metrics to make sure our lubricants are doing the job we guarantee they do. To get your mechanics and staff up to speed, we'll show them how to utilize our online tools to obtain optimum performance. Following the test run, we go over the results with you to make sure our proof meets your expectations. Once we get the program going, we stay with you every step of the way. Technical help is always available, whenever, wherever it's needed. We will work hard to earn your business and your trust. But don't just accept our promise. Let us prove it.